movie.
Who's walking? We are down at the river, down at the end of the street.
In a van down
And
by the
down
river.
By the river. There's JB. We used to come down here almost every day and walk. Just own that restaurant right over there. And water's high, but no one's dead yet. But we are expecting Armageddon.
A hurricane and
People
a tornado.
panicking, running all over the place like crazy people. There's the von Steuben house where the famous von Steuben murders occurred. And there's used to be a parking lot where the parking lot murders occurred. Lots of killing now. Okay, I'm going to walk to the bridge and take a look at the water. And then go to this one.
It's about, what time is it? Can't even tell. 7 o'clock, 6:30 p.m., something like that. Rain's starting to come down a little harder, and we'll see what we'll see.